I hate to throw books out. Books are precious. This is a 2-volume set. I bought this before I had a computer. It's a Remembrance of Things Past, Marcel Proust, 2 volumes. See the titles here. So I said, well, instead of throwing them out, I'll sell them on eBay. What a joke. Here is, look, 2 volumes, same ones I've got, identical. Proust, 1934, Remembrance of Things Past, 2 volumes, in much better condition than my 2 volumes. $4.99. This is 1934. That's all it's worth. And $4.99 for shipping. And how many bids? 0 bids. Well, I could take these books to Goodwill and donate them, but I don't even feel like driving over there. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to throw these books in the garbage. There they are in the recycling bin, along with maps from 10-15 years ago that I looked up on eBay that, again, were items with no bids on it. So what happens to these old maps? In the garbage too.